Um, when you finish this program, you'll end up getting a master's or MS in civil engineering, and we purposely made it like that. There are some programs out in the University of Washington where it becomes a very specific degree, like Masters of Science in Sustainable Transportation, for example, and that's one strategy. But we decided to go with a more general, broad master's, so MS and CE. And the one big, I think, takeaway from that is if for some reason you decide that maybe you don't want to do energy infrastructure and maybe your experience takes you somewhere else, we find that it's pretty versatile to have a civil, kind of a basic civil engineering master's degree, and that allows you to do more rather than kind of going in and narrowing down specifically on energy infrastructure. So that's the degree that you're going to be getting. The way you get this is we are a coursework only program here, so you have to complete 42 total credits. We've got two types of classes in our curriculum. It's either going to be a class is going to be worth either 3 credits or 1 credit. 3 credits we just call core courses, and the 1 credit courses we call focus classes. So you do have to take all 12 of our 3 credit classes. That gets you up to 36 credits. And then the remaining, classes you can take all in these 1 credit classes. And we have about 14 1 credit classes right now. And we really like these 1 credits because they give us a chance to there's so many different topics in energy infrastructure like data center and AI, where things are just changing so fast. So this gives us an opportunity to update some of our 1 credit curriculum pretty frequently to stay on top of all the different things and innovations that are happening in the industry. So we can cover a little bit in later more detail like what these 1 credit classes are, but you should be able to go to the website and you can kind of differentiate between all the different core and focus classes that we have. You can almost imagine these 1 credit classes are either topics that are on the innovative side, like data center construction, or they can also be more software or skill based, like GIS and other types of software like that. So, um, other things to talk about, 3 to 4 courses are offered each quarter. Um, we try to be pretty predictive because we know how important it is to be able to kind of forecast your course schedules out for a full year. So if you go to the website and you'll see all these different classes that are being offered, fall all the way down to the summer quarter. And you can count on those classes to be repeated in the next following year in the same exact quarter. So more of a predictable schedule there. And another unique thing about our program is that we're a joint program with instructors from University of Washington spanning 2 departments. So we have some faculty, like myself, that are part of the Civil and Environmental Engineering department. And these classes are going to be designated with CESI in front of them. That's Construction, Energy, and Sustainable Infrastructure. That's kind of the subgroup that we all reside in within civil engineering. Used to just be construction, but we've kind of absorbed other things like sustainable infrastructure and energy. Another department that we're working hand in hand with is the construction management department. They're in a different school. They're over in the School of Built Environments, so with landscape architecture, architecture, and real estate. And we've got, the other half of our curriculum roughly is offered by the CM department, and the classes from them are designated with the CM. So you'll get a lot more kind of project management, law. Um those types of curriculum from the CM side. And then we've got this third category, which is really interesting, which we call affiliate industry instructors. So we've got a handful of classes in both core and focus where we have partnered with an industry partner. So these are people that are working in the industry full time, 40 hours a week or more. And because they're an expert in whatever they do, we ask them, hey, can you make a 1 or 3 credit class to describe some of the more innovative things you're doing?